Hi friends, welcome to GeeksforGeeks. This is a video tutorial on how to replace a word with asterisks in a sentence. Let's have a look at the problem statement. For the given sentence as input, censor a specific word with asterisks. For example, for input word computer and given the sentence, we will replace all occurrences of computer with asterisks of length of word computer. The idea is to first split a given sentence into different words. Then traverse the word list. For every word in the word list, check if it matches with the given word. If yes, then replace the word with stars in the list. Finally, merge the words of list and print. Now let's have a look at the implementation. First, we create a list of words from the sentence by the dot split function. Initialize result as an empty string. Create the censor, which is an asterisk text of the length of the censor word. We define stars as star into length of word. Then traverse the sentence, and if the word is a censor word, replace it with stars. Finally, join the words to form the final sentence and return it. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please leave us your likes and comments.